All right, as y'all know, we still got the war going on in Iran. Trump says it's gonna be this war gonna go on for at least 4 to 5 weeks minimum. So that's at least a month, another 30 days plus. So y'all better get ready for some volatility in this market. But that is a good thing. We're gonna buy this cash flow. It's gonna average down in our growth stocks, and everything gonna be good, man. This is part of the game. Anything that goes on in the economy, dealing with politics and natural disasters, anything in the world can affect the stock market. So get used to it. Like I say, trading is like a roller coaster. Some days it's up, some days it's down, some days it's trading sideways, but you live to trade another day. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. For y'all to know, I've been trading since 2020. I started March when COVID started. I've seen the ups, downs, highs, lows from 2020. 2022 was bad. I done seen some things. I done been trading for 6 years, so that don't make me no Warren Buffett vet, but I know how to navigate it and make it through these tough times. You are the CEO of your portfolio. Do whatever you like. I'm showing you what I am doing. If you like what I'm doing, you can imitate it. And I'm gonna lead you to the promised land. But you are the CEO of your portfolio. Always remember that. Just because I sell don't mean you got to sell. Just because I buy don't mean you have to buy. But I'm just showing you what I am doing in the way that I am moving. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get to it. Urgent buys, urgent sales. All right. What did I buy? I brought some OXLC. Got down to $8.29, but $8.20 in the pre-market. So $8.44, just paid 40 cents a share. Like I was saying before, not gonna load up. It's gonna get $2 worth for this. This gonna be down for a while. So pays 40 cents a share every month. It's gonna be the last month in March, and starting April, it's gonna reduce the dividend to 20 cents a share a month, but still a 26% dividend yield. Got to do what's best for the company. SVOL got down to $16.13. I got an average cost of $16.31. See, I'm not loading up on the lot. Reason being is because you don't know how long this market going to be down, so you want to cash up at the same time. But I got an average cost of $16.36. I'm at $16.31, so I'm in good standing right here. OPP, SVOL pay 30 cents a share a month. Also, OPP coming down. I'm at $7.90, $7.83. Just gonna go get $2 worth for that. Pays out a dividend every month. I think it's like 8 cents a share a month with that one. ACP does, I want to say, 6 cents a share a month. Anyway, got down to $5.39. I said $5.43, so I'm still up. But I brought some of this in another position. We got Bull. What I'm gonna start doing with Bull, buying under $6, buying under $6, and when it rip past $6, I'm gonna buy it and sell it. I need to lower my average cost, so I'm gonna go in at $5.72. Well, I ain't got to load up on this. I already got a buy limit order at $5.57. Just gonna go get a piece of it. I can always come back and get more. Just get something now, get through this trade. I might go get some at $5.72 though. Got Hood, HOOD. I bought 3 shares a day at $73. This got down to $72.25. I'm gonna start buying this and selling this, buying it at the low 70s, selling at the high by 78. I just need to lower my average cost. I did pick up 3 shares today in this portfolio. I picked up 5 in another one. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy these shares. I picked up 3 at $73. I'm going to sell them at like $78. But today's high is $77.49. Might set it there and buy it and sell it. Make a couple dollars on the share, but lower my average cost. That's what I'm going to do with Hood. Where's Hood at anyway right now? Sorry, let me put Hood back in. Robinhood. Still enough to buy a little fractional share right now though. I'm only selling full shares, not selling fractional share, but that's how you lower your average cost. Until this stock is ready to run. All right, we're going to go with FLO, Flowers Food. They got down to 924. Well, now down to 921. Right now, I got paid a 10.32% dividend yield. This hikes its dividend every year. It looks bad, but it also got a new a president or a board of director or something. So looking to turn this company here around. I don't like the food sector, but I'm already in it. All right, we're gonna go with ACHR, the eVTOLs. What they using to build the drones and all that kind of stuff. I got this on the dollar-day recurring. Got down to 651 today. So I did pick up a couple shares of that, but want to lower my average cost right here. 671. What's my cost now? 726. That's cool. They got a 52-week high of like $14. They had earnings on yesterday. Think they end up missing earnings, but it's all good. They building and they growing the business. This a long-term play. It's not a short term right now. SPYT options on the S&P 500. Definitely what I'm going at. It's at 1663. Got down to that today. I am going in to get some at that price. 16. 5 shares. 1663. I am attacking that. I want to lower my average cost around $17. That's why I'm doing it. I'm at 1754. Like I say, all I'm buying with ETFs now gonna be the S&P 500 and the Magnificent 7 and semiconductors like the chip stocks and energy. Those that's gonna be the future. IWMY, SPYT pays 32 cents a share a month. IWMY, dividend yield about an 80% yield. IWMY got down to 18.13 today. I picked up a share at 18.19 that I had in. 18.13, 5 shares. 90 days, just in case it goes back down there. Let me accumulate some of that. 1913 is still a buy. Go get me $2 worth of that. Something to add on to it. Increase my position, lower my average cost. OXXQ. They met their earnings today. They didn't beat it, but they met it. That's good enough. Got down to 172 today. $1.72. Get some of that. That paid 3.5 cents a share every month. TCPC, stay out of this one. It's a BlackRock. I mean, it's a good buy. It's at a discount. Go get $2. Good price to start a position in it. Just been not performing well. That's why I say stay out of it. If you want a BDC, I got a better list of that. Those to do like this one, GSBD, Goldman Sachs BDC. Got a 15% dividend yield. Got down to 903 today. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to buy. Especially at these prices. I'm going to hit a swing trade on Goldman Sachs. Just accumulating a bunch of shares so I can trade it. Also, while it's there, just in case things don't go in your favor and go down, 916 is still a buy. $3 worth. We're going to go with ticker GOF. $11.68. We're going to go in that. It's $11.94. 1180 is still good. Pays a nice monthly, I think 18 cents a share month for this one. It's Guggenheim. I can check for you real quick. Yep, 18 cents a share. QQQY. I know I had a buy limit order here like 2187 or something. Come on, Robinhood, let's go, man. I got stuff to do. Got time for that today. 2156, it got down to, say, 2186. If you got to buy at these prices, you want to lower your average cost, you got to do it while it's low and cheap. 21.56. Just pay out every week. Lower that average cost there before it shoot back up. It's QQQY. Got YMAG. Got down to $12.60 today. I could just buy in dollars, just adding on to my position. And let's hit earn. Earn pay 8 cents a share every month. YMAG pays out every week. QQQY pays out every week too. QQQY got a dividend yield about 60%. We're gonna go 486 on earn. Definitely at these prices here. Next, we're going to go with PFLT. Buying up cash flow, man. It's what it's about. Cash flow is king. Pays 10.2 cents a share every month. It's got down to $8.10. We'll get $3 worth of that. All right, next we're going to go with Tesla. Buying Tesla on the pullback. This going to go back up to $450 at the minimum. In the future, $600 stock. 52-week high is $498.83. Got upside of $107. Go get you some Tesla. We'll get you some Amazon. At $202.48. Got a 52-week high of $260. I also bought this cash flow for my Cash App portfolio, SRLN. It's like my new money market. Now this pot cash here, like an 8% dividend yield, pays out 26 cents a share every month. It trades between the range of 52-week low 39.08 with a high 41.67. This is just for cash flow, it's not for growth or anything. TSM, I look at it like a bond. TSM got down to $344.14. 52-week high, $390. You know, they make the chips for everybody. They don't do nothing but go up. So buy the pullback anytime you can on there. Throw you $3 to $5 on it. KLIP pay you between 58 and 68 cents every month. This one here pulling back also. Got that on the dollar-day recurring. This always trade above the $31 mark. It's been getting whooped, but it's a nice cash flow place to have. Not saying it's not going to go back up. Wendy's, $7.30. It's got down to. Brought some in another portfolio or position. I think Wendy's got a 52-week low of $6.73, so I'm going to wait for it to pull back some more to buy in this one. Got HRZN Horizon, 11 cents a share every month. Got down to $5.96. They got earnings at the end of the day. Gonna hit me a swing trade on this one also, 5.96. I've been waiting for it to get around this $6 price. I already make like $144, $145 a month off that one. Got NFLX, Netflix. 95.33, 52 highs, $134. Go get you some Netflix. It's on its way climbing back up. COF, Capital One, another growth credit card play, got down to $188.33. 52-week high is $260. Go get you some Capital One. XLF is the financial sector ETF. Buying this, you get these. Show you this real quick. These the top 10 holdings: Berkshire, Visa, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, JP Morgan, MasterCard, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and American Express. I got that on the $1 recurring. XLF, YMAX. You can go get you some of this. See when a lawyer average calls. This pays out every week. Also got down to 833. I'm putting all my money in YMAG and other places. I do have a buy limit set, so I wanted to hit that. But that's something you can put on the $1 recurring. I'm just something I'm doing. Just cashing up on it. MetaFast, stay out of this play here. BTCC, 1592, buying this. I wish they'd go back to fractional shares, but seem like they not. Go pick up one share right here at 1592. I like this at 16 and under, 15.92. This payout bi-weekly. This always trades above the $16 mark. You know, they say Bitcoin can go to 250,000, so I don't want to own the coin. I want the cash flow from it. Just for holding the shares, that's what I want. 209 AXP got down to $299.76. 52-week high, $387.49. Credit cards companies gonna rule. People gonna stay in debt, and they move rather quick too. MasterCard, $513 got down to, is already at $520. These other stocks you can put on a $1 recurring. Visa, $318, $375.51 is the 52-week high. Got plenty of growth there. MasterCard, let me show y'all the 52-week high on that one. $601.77. All right, let's go check our traps. No bank stocks down, everything down, but not low enough for me to buy it. I know with Western Union, I put a sell limit order in at 976. Selling one position in. I'm going to keep my position in my cash out portfolio. Yesterday, I sold some shares of this LFT at 140. All the shares I brought at 128, 132s, I sold them. So lower my average cost now is $1.50. I'm buying more of this at 132. Just going to be swing trading it. Pays a quarterly dividend, 15.83% dividend yield. So that's what I'm doing with that one. RC, I think I put a sell limit order in here too. All the shares I brought cheap, I got a sell limit order at $2.13. See if they're gonna let me buy some shares. They might try to say I'm a little trading thing they be talking about, a pattern day trading. See if they're gonna let me. See, now they want me to cancel my sale. That's why I don't like trading on Robinhood. Anyway, we're gonna leave it there. For now, SLRC, I catch that under 15 bucks. Pick me up some of this. Pays 10 cents a share every month. Buying dollars. $3 worth. No cash flow to add on. What else we got? Starwood was getting hit. $17.98. $18.69. Nice little dividend play here. $2 worth for that. I want to catch it when it's at the bottom. Nike down 3%. Discount right there. That's what you want. The lower my average cost on Nike. I would say stay out of it. I don't like the food, nor do I like the apparel. Morgan Stanley. Time you can catch this with a dip. I just buy it on the pullbacks only when it's down for a discount. ABR, all the shares I brought cheap. I put a sell limit order in at I think $8.75 for 516 shares. They got a dividend. What the ex-dividend date is March the 10th, so you should get 30 cents a share. But I'm trying to lower my average cost because it might come down after the ex-dividend date. Got GSBD, Gold to GLDI, Two Harbors. Ain't worrying about that right now. XOMO should be up. That's up 11%. You know, all oil stocks up. This pay out every week. So not worrying about that. I might sell it because that's also in YMAX. Let me check XOMO. Because all that is under YMAX, and NFLY is in YMAX. So you can just own that and have access to all these. So them the ones you want to watch. YMAG. Know that one good. 1260. I got a buy limit order. 1245. I had one at 1257. It's 1249 today, so go get some YMAG. That's what I'm basically doing, putting all the YMAX money in the YMAG. 12.49. Another share right there. This got the ex-dividend date today, so this might come down some overnight. So y'all be aware of that. Look out for that. It did come down to SPYT. I'm at 1754, 1682 is still a buy. So gonna get some of that to add on to it. Brought some yesterday, $500 worth at 17 something. But loading up on that one, that's definitely a sleeper play. How we looking with NVIDIA? 1351, leave that alone. GOOY, good. QDTE, XDTE, come down in those. Got these on the dollar day recurring. And this is what it's about, man. They pull back, just add on to it. And these little $3 and $2 when you're not looking and every day is buying it, you will cash up. It's the S&P 500 one right here. Took this off $1 a day because I'm close to it. So I can monitor close to the average, the market price. That's what I mean when I say that. Like YMAX, I said I'm going to let it cash up for, I do have a buy limit order at 828 though. I'm going to let it cash up for about 3 to 5 weeks. I just want to get the dividends without reinvesting anything back into it. That's just my little thing I'm doing. SVOL, man, you got to love this price here. But I thought about swing trading. We go back above the $17 mark because it is. I always trade around about $17.25 or higher. What else we gonna do today? All right, come down in these stocks here. 51.72. We good right there. TSPY 24.50. We good right there. CHPY, the semiconductor, up. AIPI 35.25. 37. Got this on the dollar day recurring also. Get me $2 worth. Bullhood, BTCC, GPTY, 37.30. $2 worth of that. WPay pay out every week also. Got all those on the dollar day recurring. It's the international iShares emerging ETF. Still up in that one. All right, what else we going? ULTY, 3% off ULTY. That's when you want to go put your little extra $2 there. Got them on the dollar day recurring already. TSLY, Tesla. $2 worth there. These are your cash flow, man. You buying more, your golden goose, your golden egg, well, your golden goose, man, so it can lay them eggs for you. Get $2 a coney. You know, this stuff pay out every week. Got them on like $1.25 a day recurring on the yield maxes. Maggie, the S&P 500, I shouldn't be down much on this one. 47. I'm at 50. You know, and the S&P 500 go with Magnificent 7 go back up, which is the S&P 500. That's going to shoot back up quick. It's the Russell 2000, 2905. It's pay out every week also. All right, and the rest of this, what I brought over from my other portfolio, I should be good here. I didn't buy any of these. Yeah, CRFs, all those I'm good. ARCA, I'm gonna save this one here, 651, 1462 is the 52-week high. So just for y'all to know that, NSA is National Storage. MLPI, I'm good. I just added these two on today, Biggie and Brother Dollar Worth. So keeping this on the dollar day recurring, 50-40. Got a pending order coming on that. IDVO. It's new when I started. And that's it, man. See National Storage. See, still up in that one. All right, that's it. Enjoy your day. Stay safe out there.